Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Roshan, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the multiple jobs and internship opportunities available for the freshers and the college going students and also for the experienced professionals. And friend, all these job and internship opportunities are available and we are going to check it through the Beep platform. So friend, if you don't know about the Beep platform, this is the platform who is building a top tier career ecosystem with top startups, mentors, and colleges to help you get job ready for that dream opportunity in your preferred field. And friend, these B platforms was also featured in the Shark Tank India, and multiple sharks have invested in this startup. And you can see here they are having a community of you can see 450,000 plus students, and also you can see 1,000 plus students are hired, and you can see here they are having 10,000 plus opportunities listed on the B platform, and you can see here 1,000 plus companies are listed in this B platforms, and they are also supported by the various institutions and leaders in the education to top recruiting firms. So friend, we are going to check these internship opportunities here. So you can see here I have given the link in the video description box. By using that you can come to this page, and also you can download the Beep app from the Google Play Store also. So friend, if you have any particular job opportunities or the keyword, you can directly search in the search bar so that you can easily find it. If you don't have, then you can scroll down, then you can see here you can explore the jobs and internship by category. So you can see here categories are given like development and IT, then design and creative, sales and marketing, then content writing, then you can see management research, similarly customer support, finance and legal, and human resource. So let's check about the sales and marketing, friend. So you can see here on the left hand side you can see multiple filters are given, so you can use it. Currently we have checked the internship, you can see checkbox, and we are going to check the workplace remote and category sales and marketing. So if you want different opportunities, you can select the checkbox according to your requirement. So like you can see on the right hand side you can see the result. So we are going to check the market research internship. So once you click, friend, then you will come to, you can see this page. So on the left hand side you can see multiple roles and responsibilities are given, so you have to check it very carefully before applying. And on the right hand side you can see the last date for this internship. You can see you have to apply before September 12, and you can see this internship is the full time, and you will get the stipend of 5,000 per month, and it is negotiable. So friend, how you will apply we will discuss later. Let's move for the next opportunity. So you can see here next opportunity you can see we have selected the some other filters like full-time and part-time jobs, so in which you can see a technical editor. So once you click on that, then you can see the job will open here. So on the left hand side you can see the descriptions are given. You can see like you have to review and edit technical documents including reports, then you can see to collaborate with the subject matter experts to clarify technical concepts, and you can see bachelor's degree in English, technical writing or related field is required, and also previous experience as a technical editor or similar role is required. So you have to check the description properly as well as the eligibility criteria. And on the right hand side you can see, friend, about this role is you can see like you have to apply before 1st October, and this is the full time, and you can see you will get the stipend. You can see it is negotiable, that is 13,000 to 15,000 per month. So friend, it is the very good stipend you can see here. And also you can see the perks and benefits are also given, like you will get the mentorship and guidance, then flexible working hours, network opportunities, company swag, and merchandise. So these are the things you can see, friend. So friend, for applying any opportunity, you can see on the apply now on the right hand side. Similarly here you can also see in the internship. So you have to simply click on that, and friend, once you click, then this type of page will come. So here you have to first enter your mobile number, then you have to click this checkbox. So via clicking this checkbox, friend, you will also get the notification on your WhatsApp, and then you click on the sign in with OTP. Then you will receive the OTP. You have to enter here and complete the registration process and apply for this internship and the jobs. And friend, if you face any query, please comment on the video. And friend, please download the app via Play Store so that you can easily apply for the jobs and internship. And friend, if you have any query, please comment. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe in Roshan. Thank you.